Kwa idiko tori abolasho nuko sinia ko ibuga soroti isomero akaisare kesileleba o ibuga kanu abolobola naka yusa games ara bonatiti nuko sinia. Konye jangono da esisiana kinan kamoda parents SS Rebecca Alako ngesi adelo kanu ape suruno chalo abunere airimi kotaun.
Nikuwa kesi kwa lotoso chalo doi ya ujo keso taun dila kesa irimi doi jona controlling a kesi lepupo yare kini iso chalo aputs mamse na ikiti Seto tabola kwa ni kapite yajo ila chito sichenyo abuso mepero tatu soma abuso mwera yesi vera ni gosha jesi
Konyedo ine rakini kede esisiana kinani Bethane Girls abu ngesi igang aina petanu ape suruda abolia emopira.
Saya utinga pesuru. No, akape suru capable of doing the best, but they still more need to train them, and that as they are trained, that will motivate them to play. Keeping our guys in working up to participate in these co-curricular activities, because some of them maybe they might not be good in academics.
Ichetungada kineritos.
The experience I feel comfortable. Sometimes you get chances, sponsors.
Kanuka TV is Solomon Ramu Koibuga Soroti.